Good morning everyone. Welcome back. In the previous class, we studied about the data types, the variables, and how we require a particular data type. Then we studied static initialization and dynamic initialization. Today I am with another one topic, that is scope of the variable. What is scope of a variable? A scope of the variable refers to where a particular variable can be accessed within the program. We are declaring a variable, and in which all places that variable can be used, or a particular function can be used. These are all said about the scope. More detailed study of scope we have in another one chapter, but still we have to know some basic ideas about the scope. That means variable where it can be accessed in the program is said as scope. We have different scopes. We say block scope, function scope, and global one. What is block scope? A variable which is declared inside a block. What is a block? A set of statements which are enclosed within the curly braces. Suppose you are writing the class so and so, void main is there. Within the main you wrote a is equal to 10, int a equal to 10, int b is equal to 2. Then we are writing if a is greater than b. We made a block there. Within that we are giving int c is equal to 10. Simply. And you are giving SOPLN C SOPLN A. If is closed, when the if is closed, we are coming and printing SOPLN A and SOPLN C. This is the end of the main and this is the end of the class. See, a block scope says that a variable which is declared inside a block cannot be used outside that block. That means a variable which is declared inside a set of curly braces cannot be used outside. A and B, they are not declared within this if. So that even though we finish the if, the A can be used. Okay. A variable which is declared in the outside block can be used inside. See, this is declared outside of this block. It can be used in the inside the block. But a variable which is declared inside the block cannot be used outside the block. So these kind of certain rules are there. They are known as scope of the variable, which you will be familiar in the during the study time. Okay, just since the term came, I told what is scope of the variable. We have to see reference data types once again. Since it is given in your book, what is a reference data type? Once again, I would like to tell you. Class, object, arrays, interfaces. Let's see what are the reference data types. Class, object, arrays, and interfaces. I told you these all data types are storing the memory address of another data. That is why we call them as reference data types. Now, I would like to tell you two new types. One is R value and another one is L value. When a variable is declared, it has got two values. Int A is equal to 10. What is stored in the right side? The actual value, this is known as R value. And what is on the left side, it is known as L value. How do we define it? Just assume we have certain variables. 1000, this is location 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, etc. And the value 10 is stored here. We are making int b is equal to 8. 8 is stored here. So what is the R value of A? The R value of A is 10. And what is the L value of A? It is 1001. That is the location value where it is stored. That is the address. I think it is clear. Okay. Now we have to see how we can make constants in Java. We studied earlier some literals. Then there should be a particular keyword which is capable of declaring constants in Java. Let us see that. I told you earlier, there is no const keyword implementation in Java. This is a keyword, but it is not at all used. In other programming languages, like C language, C++ language and etc., const keyword is used for declaring constants. But in Java, we use a keyword final. And what is the final keyword? This is the keyword which is used in Java to declare a data item as a constant. Let us see how do we give it. We give int a equal to 10, and later on you can give a equal to 20 in the program. Void main, inside we are giving a equal to 10, and later on you may give a equal to 20, no issue, because this is a variable whose value can be changed. In another program, I will show you sample 2. I will write final int b is equal to 20. A variable is declared b with a value 20. Now in the main, void main, if I give b is equal to 30, what will happen? Will be an error. We cannot modify a variable which is declared as a constant using the final keyword. So the final keyword is used in Java to declare a variable as constant. Final keyword can be used for many purposes that you will study in the higher class. But use of one use. Okay.